CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is a highly regarded skincare product designed to provide long-lasting hydration while helping to restore the protective skin barrier. This lightweight, non-greasy lotion is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. One of the primary features of CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is its inclusion of essential ceramides. Ceramides are lipids that are naturally found in the skin and are crucial for maintaining the skin's protective barrier. By incorporating ceramides into the formula, CeraVe helps to restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier, which is vital for keeping moisture in and irritants out. The lotion also contains hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture in the skin. Hyaluronic acid helps to keep the skin hydrated, plump, and smooth, addressing issues of dryness and improving overall skin texture. This ingredient is especially beneficial for maintaining the skin's moisture balance through the day. Another key ingredient in CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is glycerin. Glycerin is a well-known humectant that draws moisture from the environment into the skin, providing immediate and long-lasting hydration. It helps to keep the skin soft and supple without feeling heavy or greasy. CeraVe's unique MVE technology is a standout feature of this lotion. This patented delivery system releases moisturizing ingredients over time, providing long-lasting hydration. This ensures that the skin remains hydrated for an extended period, making it particularly effective for maintaining moisture levels throughout the day and night. The formulation is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. This makes it an excellent choice for those with acne-prone skin or those who are concerned about maintaining clear skin while keeping it hydrated. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is designed to be gentle enough for daily use. Its balanced formulation ensures that it can be used morning and night without causing irritation or dryness, even with regular use. This makes it suitable for incorporation into any skincare routine. The texture of the lotion is lightweight and absorbed quickly into the skin, providing immediate hydration without leaving a greasy residue. This makes it comfortable to wear throughout the day and suitable for use under makeup. The lotion is fragrance-free, which reduces the risk of irritation and makes it suitable for sensitive skin. Fragrance-free products are often recommended by dermatologists because they are less likely to cause allergic reactions or sensitivities. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is also free from parabens, which are preservatives that can be irritating to some individuals. By avoiding parabens, CeraVe ensures that the product is gentle and suitable for a wide range of skin types. Affordability is another appealing aspect of CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Despite its high-quality formulation and effectiveness, the product is reasonably priced, making it accessible to a broad range of consumers seeking effective skincare solutions. The product is widely available and can be found in most drugstores and online retailers. This accessibility makes it easy for consumers to purchase and repurchase the lotion as needed, ensuring continuity in their skincare routine. Customer reviews frequently highlight the visible improvements in skin condition after using CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Many users report smoother, softer skin with a noticeable reduction in dryness and flakiness, contributing to a more radiant complexion. The product's effectiveness is backed by clinical studies and dermatological research. These studies have shown significant improvements in skin hydration and barrier function with regular use, supporting the claims made by CeraVe about its benefits. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is also a staple in the beauty industry, often recommended by skincare professionals and beauty experts. Their endorsements highlight the product's reliability and effectiveness in maintaining hydrated, healthy skin. The lotion's ability to work well with another skincare products is another notable benefit. It can be easily integrated into existing skincare routines, complementing the use of serums, treatments, and sunscreens without causing adverse reactions. The overall experience of using CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion is enhanced by its pleasant application and immediate hydrating effects. The product not only delivers essential moisture but also improves the overall comfort and appearance of the skin. CeraVe's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in this product. The brand's long history of dermatological research and development ensures that CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion meets high standards of safety and efficacy. Customer satisfaction is high for CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, with many users becoming loyal to the product after seeing significant improvements in their skin's hydration and texture. The positive feedback and repeat purchases underscore its effectiveness and reliability. Finally, the combination of advanced skincare technology, high-quality ingredients, and a user-friendly formulation makes CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion a standout product in the realm of moisturizers. Its ability to provide long-lasting hydration, improve skin health, and maintain the skin's protective barrier sets it apart as a valuable addition to any skincare routine.